And we're back on track, guys. Hello, everyone, again. And I'm super thrilled to announce the next speaker,
I'm not.
developer, YouTuber, AI enthusiast, influencer, Lex Kartynnik. Please welcome.
No, I asked this really good guy Anton to wait a little bit because I need to setting up my environment. But okay, let me do it without you. You can just relax for now. Oh. Okay.
We can actually talk with the public while Alex is preparing. So how much of you first time attending the event today? Just curious. Super great. Who is attended all of the meetups? I know we have some people. At least me. Okay. Who know the Alex as a blogger?
This is my question. Don't do my work, please.
Okay. Sorry, I'm bad stand-upper. Okay. What is your favorite idea? Okay. I probably will leave the floor because Alex is almost ready, so enjoy.
Okay. I'm really afraid of you, you know? Not because you are scary, but because I'm really bad English language speaker. Yeah, who of you knows me? Please raise up the hand. Oh, nice, thank you. And for the rest of the audience, why these people know me? I don't know, to be honest. No, I'm joking. I'm working as a programmer since 2011 as a .NET developer, so my most of experience related to development. And 6 years ago, approximately, I start working on my YouTube channel. It's named IT Boroda. This is Russian language YouTube channel, one of the biggest channel about tech and about IT. I made an interview with people about technologies, about programming languages, and so on. So this is why some people knows me. And also last maybe 2.5 years, I switched from the commercial programming to DevRel, developer relations, let's say, or community building. And now I'm working in EPAM as a community builder of Anywhere Club community. So most of my work related with content, tech content creation. And also, because this is technical content, I spend a lot of time for test new tools, especially new tools for programming, because I'm fond of programming. I really love programming, and I programming a lot in my spare time, especially with AI last several years. So this is why today I'm going to tell you a little bit about how we can use AI in programming. And let's try to share my presentation. Yeah. I'm the person who calm a lot, so when I keep calm on the stage, it's totally normal, because you together with me can feel this Spanish cringe, yeah? Please start feeling it. I don't want to be the only one person who feel it. Yeah, presenter view. And where is my internet? Looks like up. Start. Yeah. So who am I? I'm Belarusian people. I am from Belarus. People from Belarus, I believe, understands this color scheme. Yeah. Yes. Who, if you don't understand, this is the color of the flag of the Freedom Belarus: white, red, and white. Lex Kartynnik, IT Boroda, this is me, this is my site, my website. If you want to find all of the projects that I'm working on, you can check it. I made a lot of content, a lot of things for people and for engineers. So software engineer, last 30 years, tech blogger, this is my main channels, IT Boroda, IT Beard on English, Темный лёс, this is my Belarusian language podcast, and 1 year ago we launched with my friend Viktor Shelenchenko one of the hugest podcasts about AI in Russian language, about AI news, AI podcast. So if you understand Russian language, you can subscribe to all of this channel. If you understand English language, you're a really good person. Community leader. Yeah. I'm also working as a community leader in EPAM on AW Club community. Also, we're working with engineering excellence. Maybe some of you working in EPAM and know what is it. This is practice for be a good engineer. So we are like promote this practice on a wide audience. And also I moderate a community of Belarusian people in Mastodon. This is vkl.world. Велике княство Литовска. I know that in Polish people don't know what is it. It's totally okay, but it's not funny. Okay. I'm sorry. I really love Poland. I live here 2 years. It's the best country. And Evoluция Кода, this is my one of my fresh project. This is private community for engineers who want to be more productive with AI. Inside this community, we learn tools, we learn how to use some kind of libraries in the project. So all stuff related to AI with programming. And today I'm going to tell you about generation AI tools for programming and who of you using AI tools in your everyday life? I mean, every day. No, almost 80%. Okay, and for programming. Okay, and by the way, do we have not programmers here? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, this presentation not for you, but still you can interrupt me, you can get fun in this way. Okay, in programming, could you please tell me what's the most popular tools that you are using? What's the name of this tool? ChatGPT, Copilot? Amazon Q, nice. Victor, Amazon Q, huh? And only Victor, person from Amazon said, what do you say, it's Stack Overflow, yeah? Old school, nice. Yeah, what's the interesting? A lot of people, a lot of engineers that I have a contact with, they say that they're using mostly ChatGPT. And guys, no, you don't need to use ChatGPT for programming. This is like using sheet of dinosaurs. ChatGPT made only for your everyday conversation with AI. This is not a specific product for programming. For now, we have a lot of more specialized and better tools that I show you today. What's the main point of my presentation? That working with AI directly in the IDE is more convenient and productive than using it outside of IDE. From this perspective, ChatGPT is not our way. And probably most useful use case and most recognizable use case in engineering audience, this is intelligent code completion. I believe that all of you knows what is code completion, what is IntelliSense. If you don't know, this is. Yeah? You just type your code, insert dot, and after dot you see class, properties, you see all of the stuff that you can use if you have, for example, open members of your class and so on. So this is pretty deterministic way to coding faster. For example, I can read the text that I prepare. Yeah? For example, when we put a dot, yeah, after the name, get rid of it. This is how looks like intelligent code completion. So you write some code. What's most important? You write the context that AI system can get and understand what do we need. Right inside the comment, for example. Then you write your first line of code, and AI propose you next line of code, or even whole function. This is one of the first way for implementing AI inside programming, and to be honest, this is most of dumb way, because all of this functionality with code completion works on pretty dummy models, because we need to get response really fast. And this code completion only can make us a little bit faster, not more. What's the most useful tools for code completion? To be honest, on the market we have not a lot of tools for code completion. Most are useful GitHub Copilot. They implement code completion maybe 2 years ago. This cost $10 per month, I believe. Who of you using GitHub Copilot? 5, 10 people. What's the rest people doing here? Okay. It's totally okay that you are not using GitHub Copilot, because GitHub Copilot already pretty old tool, and it is not the best way for today start using AI tooling, but still it is pretty powerful tool. Amazon Q Developer, thank you, Victor. I believe that you developed it. Amazon Q Developer is free tool, free for use code completion. So if you don't have $10, you're tech guys, you can haven't it. Please use Amazon Q Developer. JetBrains AI Assistant. This is separate product from JetBrains. I mean separate from IDs. You need to pay $20, yeah, for getting multi-line code completion, and it is pretty creepy. The least useful from all this list, but still they have it. And inside JetBrains IDs, if you don't know, you have by default you have one line code completion, intelligence code completion. You just need to turn it on inside a setting. But if you want multi-line code completion, please pay money to JetBrains. And JetBrains, really good company. Yeah, I like JetBrains. I'm not from Amazon. I can say that I like JetBrains. Yeah, and Codium AI. This is one of the first tools. That implement code completion. They also have free to use plans, so you can use Codium AI. All of these tools work in like plugin inside your IDE. The most supported IDEs, this is those IDEs from JetBrains, all of JetBrains IDEs, Visual Studio Code. If I right remember, GitHub Copilot also support Visual Studio, and JetBrains support NeoVim, if I right remember. So if you use some weird IDE, it's not your way. Second most useful case for using AI is this is integrated AI chat. So pretty simple, yeah? You can use ChatGPT inside your browser, but this is not convenient way. I want ChatGPT right inside my IDE, so please. You can just install the plugin, and right inside your IDE you will see this pretty good chat with different platforms. You can get plugins for OpenAI, for Claude, for Anthropic API, yeah, for Mistral. And why do we need an AI chat inside our IDE? Why we don't can use just ChatGPT? Because it's more convenient than switching between the browser and between the IDE. And also integration inside the IDE has a lot of more integration with your code, especially with understanding of context of your project, of your entire project. And also integration get you a lot of small, pretty convenient features. For example, you can writing prompt right inside your code editor. Here you can call the windows and type what do you need, and the system write you all the needed code. You can generate commit message based on modification of your file. That's really awesome feature. If you don't use it, please use it. Also, you will have a lot of new context menu, like refactor this code, like make security analysis, and so on. Yeah, this is how can looks like little bit different IDE chat. By the way, my most loved one plugin, MachineNet AI. And here is some examples of useful plugins. Most powerful, from my perspective, plugin for AI chat inside your IDE is MachineNet AI plugin. I'll share the link to my presentation after, and you can find all of the links to the plugin inside. It costs approximately $10 per month, and this plugin produced by guys from Belarus, yeah, but they live in London, and they made a lot of work for context understanding. So this plugin really good understand all of the context of your project. They use tree setters, they use response from your build pipelines, and so on. So you can try it. Really good plugin. Also, GitHub Copilot chat. This is part of GitHub Copilot. So part of GitHub Copilot subscription. They also have pretty good chat. What's interesting, the most capable GitHub Copilot chat works inside Visual Studio Code. Because inside Visual Studio Code, you can use agents, Visual Studio Code agents. This is special commands that you can call through, what's the right word for English, Sabaka? Add, yeah, add. You can use add, and through this add symbol, you can ask GitHub Copilot chat inside Visual Studio Code, analyze the context of your project. In JetBrains, you cannot do it. So for JetBrains, GitHub Copilot chat, not like pretty good decision. And Amazon Q Developer, free to use, pretty good chat, pretty good models under the hood. Victor, still don't say me what the models they're using. I believe that you told us about it today. Tell us. Yes. This is my question. You can prepare. Yeah, and Codium also. Yeah, and a lot of right now on the market we have a lot of these plugins, maybe 20 or 30. I don't know. This is my top. Just use it. But the most useful thing is AI first IDs, and you are really happy engineer if you are using Visual Studio Code, because almost all of project with AI, almost all AI first IDs based on Visual Studio Code. I don't know why, but still we have an IDE based on community edition of IDEA, yeah, JetBrains. Let's see to the examples. Most useful for now IDE is named Cursor. If somebody using Cursor? Oh, Vanya, hello. Are you kidding? Okay, it's okay. It's totally normal. If you want to get a really good and fresh experience from the AI, I just recommend you right after this meetup, download Cursor, pay $20 because this IDE needs subscription. This is general suggestion. Don't use like a free plans. If you can pay, because on the payment plan you will able to use most powerful models and most powerful integrations. $20, it's not a big money for 1 month. Moreover, they have 2 week free trial period. Why a separate IDE for AI? Really cool. Yeah, it is SOTA, yeah, state of the art, blah, blah, blah. All in one place. So you don't need to pay for GitHub Copilot as a chat, for Amazon Q as a terminal assistant, for example, and for some kind of code completion. You don't need to pay to 3 different providers. You pay only once to Cursor, and you have all of the possibility of AI inside your IDE. And Cursor has really wide spectrum of this possibility. All that you can do with AI, you can do right inside Cursor. They don't pay me. They really just made a good project. Maybe some of you knows who is Andrei Karpathy. Do you know? Oh, Andrei Karpathy, one of the most experienced engineer in building LLMs. He one of the founder of OpenAI, and also he is engineer. And if I right remember, he's not from Poland, but somewhere not near from here. Siberia? Siberia? Slovakia, yeah. Yeah, and he made a lot of learning content, so if you don't know him, you can subscribe to his channel. For example, he has lecture how to build GPT Nano just in 2 hours. And what's interesting, several days ago, he tweeted a post that he using Cursor last month and he won't get back. Powerful engineer with really huge knowledges won't get back from Cursor. So it is a point for start using this IDE for you. Agents, inside Cursor you can use special tools for not just writing code inside the chat, but really build file from the scratch for you and really write code right inside IDE. So you just make a prompt, and agents inside Cursor make all of the stuff for programming. I'll show you how it's work. Visual Code based, so it means you can use all of your loved extensions for Cursor, and yeah, $20 for months. You can use free version, but free version haven't a lot of possibilities. They don't provide agents for free version. Inside free version, by the way, you can use external APIs. You can use your own key for Open API, for Anthropic, or even for local models through Olama, through different inference. But still, payment subscription get all of experience. We'll get all of experience. Next, Z. Maybe some of you hear about Z IDE. I don't know. Do you know about it? Yeah. Oh, nice. Z IDE is open source IDE. Several years ago, it was founded, and 1 week ago they announced that now they are AI first. They integrate inside the IDE code completion, AI chat, and some context menu. So if you want to support open source project, you can download that and support them and try to use it. Also, they have all-in-one, yeah, chat, code completion, and some contextual integration. Not AI first from my perspective, because yeah, they announced that now they are AI first, but still, from my experience, Cursor has a much more consistent way to work through different tools, through chats, through context, through code suggestions. Yeah, and they have own engine. This means that it is not like a Visual Studio Code. This is own development, so you cannot use your loved extensions. You need to use extensions from their market. But it is open source. You can rewrite it. All of we really good engineer and have a lot of time. Yeah. Next one, IDA. I believe IDA. This also Visual Studio based IDE. They announced about open a lot of time ago. I believe that before Cursor, but the commons that developed IDE, they're really slow, unfortunately. But this IDE also, IDE also have all-in-ones, chat, code completion, and even agents, some kind of agents. But you need to stay in the wait list approximately several weeks after registration. And we still don't know what will be final price, because right now the system in the beta testing. But still good example of AI-based IDE. And yeah, and almost last one. This is Project IDX. Project IDX, web-based IDE from Google. Powerful project, also based on Visual Studio Code, and it is totally web-based. So you can open this IDE right on your iPad, planchette, or right from your, I don't know, smartphone and start working, if here enough space for programming. They also have web-based. Also have all-in-ones. So there are chats, there are code completions, there are even some integration with terminal. But it is Google, so here you can use, here you can work only with Gemini. And Gemini, not the better or best one model. I don't know, as you know, but yeah, the most powerful model for programming today is Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Just believe me. Not GPT-4o, not GPT-4 Mini especially, and not Gemini 1.5. Sonnet 3.5. it's the most powerful. But still, Gemini, no, pretty okay. If you have a Google account, you can try Project IDX. Also, this IDE works only with GitHub repositories, with private and with public. Maybe it's some limitation, can be some limitation for you. And they are still in beta. Yeah. And this is one of the most dangerous case because after beta, it closed. Yeah. And the last one example, and most funny, I believe. This is AI chat right inside fucking NeoVim. Yeah. If you're using NeoVim, I don't know, I didn't see so old people, but it is just a joke. NeoVim also good idea, and several weeks ago we found pretty good extension event and Vim. They integrate AI chat right inside your Vim and integrate a lot of tools for working with code right in code editor, even code completion. My friends who are using NeoVim, they're still alive, and they say that it is pretty weird way for working with NeoVim, but you can try it. Okay. Next one, huge bunch of tools for AI. This is terminal assistance. I don't know. Does somebody using AI in terminal? No? Oh, nice. The same people. Do you want to get to the stage now? Yeah. Yep, you're right. Warp. What about terminal assistant? I don't really like to Google for all of these weird commands for grep, for working with Git sometimes. This is really boring. And the most powerful feature for me in this assistance, you just write by your fingers what do you need, and this assistance completes the command. How it can looks like. This is Warp, one of the most biggest project for code completion inside the terminal. You can type your general command, for example, less, or you can type something like how I can reboot. Yeah, reboot не треба. I don't know. How I can what? How I can find. Yeah, I really a good programmer. Find files in special. What do you say next? Okay. Oh, get rid of it. It is hard to stay on the stage and listen to you. Come on, guys. How to commit? How to commit? No, commit. Git pull. Git commit minus m. Yeah. Let's. How to commit to Git? Remref. Little bit thinking and yeah, a lot of examples. So here you can read some information, or you can. Please, update brew. Or just type command, and if I click run, warp start update my brew. And brew update, brew upgrade is pretty useful command. Pretty, you understand. I don't want start update brew. It can be 1 hour long. So where is my mouse? Yeah. So this is main use case for using this terminal assistant, just to write command instead of you. Also in Warp, especially in Warp, you can have some team communication. They provide Warp Drive functionality if you paid them money. This is free to use tool with some limitation. But if you provide some money, $20 per person, if I right remember, you can use this Warp shared with your team members and see all of the commands that's sent by your team members. This is appropriate software, not open sourced, so you cannot see what inside. And this is one of the most painful case, yeah, how we can use warp on the prod. We cannot use it. But in AI sphere, we have a lot of certifications. For example, SOC2 certification. It's pretty enough to say that our data do not get over the world. And warp has this first part of this certification, and now they are working on the second part. But if you don't like not open source project, we have different project for terminal assistant. For example, yeah, Amazon Q for CLI, also not open sourced, yeah. But if you have subscription on Amazon Q, you can use CLI in Amazon in terminal. And Cursor terminal, I'll show you how it works. This terminal is a part of Cursor subscription. And for example, open source project AI chat. And inside the AI chat, you can use all of the popular models: OpenAI, Anthropic, Mistral, or local models. Yeah. Next one, agent-based assistant. This is like cutting edge of AI tools for programming for now. Agent systems. It means that this is full fidget programmers, not just another yet AI chat. These tools usually can write the code, can make the architecture, create the files, and execute the code. Of course, after your approval. For now, at least. One of the most powerful tool for now, I know it from the engineer community who interested in AI, this is IDER. Totally open source product, worked inside your terminal. What's interesting about this product? It can, you give to IDER the location of your folder, especially folder, not the project, but a folder. And IDER can get all of the files inside the folder to the context and work with these files. You can type, for example, create refactoring of this file, etc., etc., and IDER will provide you code. And what's interesting, IDER using tree-seater response, build response, and even it can use unit test response for iterative improve your code. You just, in configuration file, you just set the command for test the final code. For example, I don't know, run project. You can type in the command, please run project after writing a code. And when IDER writing the code, he try to run the project, and if IDER sees some errors, he try to resolve these errors. So regenerate code and run again and again and again until code will not be working. The same story with unit tests. You can use a unit test response for this tool. Really cool tool. Also, you can use all of the models under the hood, OpenAI, local models, and they provide good functionality for tracking how many tokens you use for track your money. Yeah. But if you don't like CLI tools, it can be a little bit hard to start using it. Yeah, open source, CLI based, different models, and extremely flexible. There are a ton of configurations inside the configuration files that you can change. And a lot of stars on GitHub. Who of you using Ruby programming language? No? You? There are less amount of stars. It is interesting because a lot of languages has much more less stars than this small tool. Next one, MachineNet. Mate. I'm sorry, Mate. Mate, this is a project from the guys who make MachineNet AI plugin that I told you before. And this is totally different way to programming because this is a separate program. You open this program, you set the location of your project, wait a little bit, and Mate also get a lot of information inside the context about your project, give you some summary about your project, and after that you can work. So it is like IDER, but with UI and with vision. And it is really important because Mate can work as your vision assistant. You can open Mate right near your IDE and ask Mate analyze what happened inside your IDE. Mate make a screenshot and start working with this code. It is terrible, yeah? The system makes screenshot of your computer. But this is our future, unfortunately. And they also working on getting SOC certificate. Interesting. Do not recommend you use it in prod, but for yeah. But for getting some new experience, you can try it on your pet projects. It's really interesting. Different approach, vision model and context understanding. Yeah, made really good understand context of your project because this is the main feature of Mate and of MachineNet AI plugin. And the last one, tool, Cursor Composer. It is also part of subscription inside the Cursor. This is UI for IDER, let's say. They don't use IDER under the hood, but it is really looks like as IDER with UI. You just set here your prompt, and Cursor Composer starting create code, create files, and then you just click accept, and all of your program ready. UI based, ID integrated, and pretty simple to setting up. And also inside the Cursor you can use different models, not only the appropriate models, but also you can use different APIs. Oh, let's try. Some practice. I want to show how you can quickly build project with Cursor, and it will be really slow. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, no, we have 40 minutes, so you can just prepare your coffee or something like that. First of all, let's go to the GitHub. Oh, it's not so convenient. GitHub, not Pornhub. Oh, you hear it? Yeah, sorry. New repository. It's so weird working with project projector. Where is the copy? Where is the copy? Copy. Yep, here. Booms. Now go inside the cursor, and not, no. Go to the warp and install the brew. This is not the way. Cancel. Programming projects and how to pull. I know how to pull the project. Yeah, git pull. but still, how to pull this? I'm sorry. Yeah, we need to get inside the agent regime. Yeah. Or Command I for that. How to not how, just pull it. Don't work. Okay, so please git clone. Nice. Run. Run from this AI. Was it again? Okay. So ls and hey, no. Wow, really nice. Ololo. No, go to ololo. I'm junior specialist, yeah. LS, please. I need just get out from agent mode, yeah. Cancel. Yeah, LS, please. LS. Okay, so we're right here in our project. Now let's open it in Cursor. Open the folder, documents. I'm sorry for the mess. And what I want to make, I don't know what I want. Do you use in Telegram? Do you know what is Telegram? Pavel Durov, prison, yeah? Narco traffic. I hear that in Poland. I hear that in Poland and in European Union, people thought that Telegram was used almost for illegal things. Is it legal? Illegal. Illegal. 11. 11. This is this is not the way how we use Telegram. No, I'm using Telegram for speaking with my mom, and from Belarus government perspective, it can be legal, but not from Poland. Thank you. So let's make a bot for Telegram Messenger, for example, and I really don't want to write the code, and let's call the composer, command I. This is composer window. I can open it to whole window, and here I just need to put description of my project. Before I start put prompt here, I want to say a little bit about setting of cursor. Cursor based on Visual Studio, and here we can setting up special cursor settings. Yeah, not Visual Studio, but cursor. What can we here? What can we see here? Account management. Right now, I'm logging in my paid account. Here you can describe some initial prompts, some rules for AI. You can make a lot of different configuration, but what's the most interesting for me and for you? Cursor Composer right now inside the beta program, so you need to you don't need to enable it. It's already in the prod. Nice. If you have some old version, you need to enable Composer here. Here you can insert your OpenAI or Anthropic key, or even your local model key. For that, you need just override OpenAI based URL here. But if you have subscription, you don't need to use this API keys, because Cursor provide you a lot of tokens by default from all of the most huge APIs. I'm using Cloud 3 API Sonnet. All right. Also, you can use Azure. By the way, you can make suggestion for Cursor to insert AWS. I believe nobody will use it, but you can try. It is just a joke. AWS make really great work for popularize tools for AI. And in feature, there are really good features. First of all, you can index your code base. Right now we haven't any code, so it doesn't need for us. And here you can insert the documentation. It's really powerful function. You need just copy link to documentation, then click add new doc, provide here the link, wait several minutes while Cursor index all of the documentation by this link. And after that, Cursor can use this documentation inside the context. It's really powerful feature. Right here, I index documentation for prepare bot for Telegram. These two sites is documentation for Telegram bot. I want to make it on Golang. I am don't using Golang. I don't really know this language, but let's try. Here, documentation for OpenAI. Previously, it doesn't need it for us today. And here you can see that Cursor index not only one page, this program index all of the pages. So this is like a crawler. This page is indexes, put into the like a rack system, and then you can use it as embeddings inside your prompt. Okay, now move to our composer. Sorry for my English and for my speed. We don't need type here something like be a programmer and blah blah blah. Cursor made the system prompt already. Yeah, it used under the hood. So create a Telegram bot using Golang. And what this bot should to do, for example, I don't know, moderate new people. So I can do it, but right now we're inside the YouTube and it will be free Durov. Make Durov free again. No, better Belarus. Let's say moderate bot need. I really love LLMs because they understand my pretty dumped English. I can type there whatever. I can type even Russian English, even Belarusian English, and it understands. So sorry for my mistake. But need to moderate new users. If user get the group less than 5 minutes ago and start selling drugs, you need ban it. What's interesting after? Yeah, ban. Yeah. I'm like, what's the хомяк for English? Hamster, yeah. I'm like hamster for engineers. Yeah, you see how I am shitty creepy on the stage, and you inspired because you are better. You're always better. Yeah, good way, but not for today. And let's see. So pretty simple prompt. I don't know what will be next. Here we use Cloud 3.5 Sonnet, nice, and submit. That's almost it. So here we can see the plan that Claude use or that cursor use, and here we can see the code. Just let's quickly see on this code. So bot token, yeah, Telegram API. I don't really believe that this is a needed API, but duration, new user, main, blah blah blah. I don't want to read it. If you make production code, you need to read it. If you make the presentation, get rid of it. What's the next step? I don't know if Cursor use the code styles for this file. Let's ask him. Please refactor it in accordance with. And here we can use an add symbol for attach documentation with Go styles. Wait a little bit. Yeah, cursor start analyze code styles, and I don't know if something changed. Maybe. Yeah, by the way, we need to make a commit before the changes. I'm sorry. Something changed. Okay, let's accept it. It's let's see. Here mine go. Close composer. New tag time, main, authorized on account, okay, handle new members, okay, handle message. If contains drug related content, ban user, and drug content and relate. So keywords, drug, cocaine here, nice. looks pretty good. Let's commit it. Let's commit this code. Terminal. Cursor also has a separate terminal integrations. Not with Warp. They have their own system for write the commands. You see. Command plus K, and you can start set instructions. But let's don't use it right now. Just git add -a. Git status. First of all. Yeah, just a mind go. Okay, git add minus -r and git commit and yeah. Yep, it will be the next step. Git commit, and here some magic. I have hook for prepare the commit. So I don't want really make this stupid commit message. Uh, especially because I'm working alone on this project. So I can put here something like, I believe, yeah, you can ask. Let's do it on the next step, yeah? Right now I just show you some tricky thing. Commit like this. Yeah, 3 dash symbol, commit. Git commit minus m, okay. Minus m. Boom, 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 boom. And git push. And let's see what we see here. Here our commit, one commit. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. I don't install the hook inside this project. Don't care. Do it next time. So the next thing that I want to do, I want to separate this file to the different to different files, yeah, because all of us knows what is solid, or who is the Bob Martin, and that he will not be happy for this code. So let's make refactoring. Make refactoring in accordance with solid. Do you know? Oh, let's try. Make Uncle Bob. Uncle Bob. Yeah, happy. Unble. I think it. Uncle. Yeah. Martin, yeah, Bob Martin, and what's the difference? I don't know. Looks like no any difference, yeah. No, a little bit more functions. No? Here, yeah. Dependency injection, yeah. The system understands that we need to make refactoring along with solid interface irrigation, separation of concerns. Okay, improve naming. I don't want to understand what happened here. You can then just you can check after our conference GitHub repository and see all the changes. I just click accept. Usual programming, yeah. Not on the prod. And last one, separate program to different files to make happy to make Bob more happiest. I don't know. It understand me. Oh, nice. Mine go. Let's wait a bit. User tracker go. Oh, looks like it makes some related stuff. Let's check it. Mine go now has only bot initialization. Nice. Bot has high level handling of handlers. Yeah. User tracker and content moderation. Pretty okay. Accept all. And to be honest, that's almost it. I don't know if you want to wait several minutes while I register this bot inside the Telegram and we try to run it. I don't know. Do you want? Yes, you want. I know. You want. You can right now discuss something between each other because I need to get to my personal account and okay, I'll show you. Just don't read, please, my personal messages. Yeah, they are really personal. Yeah, we can. We can call OpenAI model, but it will be hard for me to setting up all of the stuff for run this project right now. So right now, I just want to try run it, and we will see is it code workable or not. Yeah. So but further, no, I don't want to show you my. In Telegram, it is simple way to make a bot. To get bot API key, you need to find bot fuzzer bot. This is one of the main bot inside the Telegram. Yeah, this is bot fuzzer. And here we need to use the command create new bot, boom. Please choose a name. Chose blah blah. Okay, ololo bot. This is the handler for call this bot inside the messenger. Ah. Okay, ololo2. Nice. And now we have the key. Cool. We have the key and we can communicate with this bot. We press just start, and after start, this bot should answer to our responses. Right now, it's not answering because this is only the wrapper under our backend that not run yet. Yeah. Let's try to run it. Booms. Here, mine go API key. Hey, where is my API key? Please don't see to my personal messages. Copy and paste. My lovely way for programming, yeah? Close composer? Ah, yeah, this is thank you, Victor. You're my best friend. I like
Sudo
AWS.
paste.
I'm sorry. I don't know why here is a lot of red signals. Maybe because I haven't needed extensions for run go. No, I inserted. Maybe. Let's see. Who cares? Yeah, who cares? Here we also have AI chat, and here we can ask, how can I run escape from the reality? You can run really fast, yeah? Go run, no, let's try it. You can apply this command right from the context window, and it's not so. Yeah, one sec. Yeah, I understand what you say, but I don't want to listen to you. I'm working with AI. Problems output. It's not the way I want. Yeah. Make sure you're all necessary. Okay, fix it. Compile the program. I don't know. Okay, no, let's try the compile. Undefined. Yeah, we need to import. Yeah. It costs $20. Go run dot. But Okay. So go run dot and yeah, go run dot. Nah. Yeah. Oh, go fuck yourself. I'm not too lazy. I'm asking in the chat. I need to do it right inside the composer. I don't want to. I paid. Import la 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 la. Okay, okay. This is a presentation. It can be some kind of shitty. I want to ask, try to run it and fix errors. Yeah. Okay, you understand that this is literally small, except literally small problem because we can fix it by our hand. Yeah. Main go user tracker. Close, please. So what we need here, import. How can I import? I don't know. What? GitHub. Oh, autocomplete. Nice. Just type the name. We need new simple at bot go, yeah, or I don't know how it works. Oh, see, I fixed in this chat. This is last try. No new simple user tracker. Do we have this user tracker here? New simple user tracker. We have it, and this is on the same level. So interesting. User tracker. Main go. What's the difference? You need to import. I don't see. Pass to what? Tracker. You want to apply? No? Okay, let's apply. Pass to tracker. Oh, nice. I believe this. It cannot understand, yeah, the context. Again.
Yeah, because currently you do not have the package defined.
Where?
I mean, in the Go, so it's currently like just basically loose files. So
Uh-huh.
you have to define like the package.
Uh-huh. How can we do it? Package defined. How we can?
Yeah.
How would say? How can I init the package? Yeah, yeah. Here. Are you sure? Somewhere here? Yeah.
No, it was previously.
Previous chat. Yeah. Let's see it here. How to run? Just escape. Go run and go run. Go build. You mean go build? No, no. Go install. Ah, yeah, I see. Yeah, yep, you're right. Nice. And now I can try to run it, yeah? Finally. Run, run. Go mod what? Go, I don't know what you say. Ah, you mean. You see, I need to do just what AI to say to me, yeah? It's your problem. Okay, and now what? Go run?
You should firstly define the boss token, I think, because it will read it from environment, and we have not defined it.
No, no. It will read from the main file.
But we have, if we have serious
Yep, you see. Hmm. This is the main problem of presentation something with LLM because you cannot be sure in anything. But still, let's say that this is my token. Yeah. Yeah, some kind of this. New models. I don't know. Fuck, it's so hard to see. Let's make it. Okay, ban redeclarated. Some kind of error. Ah, bля. This is the last try from my side. Yeah. And then we go to the question because I'm tired. When you're working with AI just face to face, it's much more easier because now here a lot of people who want to suggest something that I don't need. Yeah, fix it. Fix it. Last one. Tracker go and ban go. Yeah, ban go. It's just duplicate, I believe. Yeah, ban user here and yeah. Ban here and where is the ban? Content moderation. No. 7 and 11, yeah. Oh, let's. You understand the way. You understand. I really believe that this bot will be ready in half an hour. I don't want just just test your patient. So this is how cursor works. Yeah, you can. It is really hard to stay here and write all of this code on the separate monitor because I didn't see. It must much more faster when you do it on your beautiful monitor in your beautiful room without the people outside. Yeah. But I make I make several projects with cursor on Go. This is why I don't know how to run the Go. And it is really a good way to learn new languages, new technologies. It's really yep. But if you need make something fast, some boilerplate, Cursor can provide a lot of opportunities for you. That's pretty much it. Let me check my last part of presentation. Yeah, so want more? I understand, so here marketing part, yeah, marketing part. If you want to see all of this marketing part, you can just scan this QR code, get to the presentation, this QR code for this presentation, and check all of the information that I don't provide you because I really want to make your time a little bit more funny and not so dummy. Something like that. Thank you for your attention. If you have some questions, you can ask it.
Guys, yeah, Lex will choose the question. I will bring you a microphone, okay?
We have 5 minutes, so only one question.
No, at least 5, 10, no. No, you are the boss here, so choose the question.
I'm the boss. Okay. I see. You? No. I don't choose. I just want to know who want to. 3 people, 4 people, 5 people. How can I choose? I don't know.
And remember, we have the.
Okay, you will be first. Let's go. And 4 people, 1 question from 5 people, and that's it. Free fries, potato fries. Yeah.
Okay, so I wanted to ask about the code structure and quality because obviously it's like AI code generation for smaller projects, for like small prototype projects, will be very. It will improve. It will allow you to code faster and to create the prototypes faster.
For pet project, yeah, you boost really much. 10 times. You can boost 10 times your productivity. With legacy, it's hard question.
Not even a legacy, but with
Huge database, huge base of code.
with basically like the project which you want to to grow in future. So what you want to expand later, and you want to maintain some structure, some architecture. Is this, let's say, are we at the point that AI agents, AI code completion generation is able to do that?
No. For now, making clear architecture, future architecture, it's not a possibility of these systems. But the next step that we are waiting, this is like agents for architecture reasons.
Oh.
So the only separating files in accordance with solids, this is the most useful case that I found with my friends regarding to architecture. But still, you can use it for test generation from the scratch. You can use it for some small model preparation for microservices and for start writing a code when you have wide list of IDE. Yeah? When you don't know what you need to code, you can ask the AI and start working together.
Oh. Thank you.
Thank you. The
Who will
next
be the
one
next?
was somebody from here. This guy, then this woman.
Yeah, my question will be about the you mentioned that the Claude Sonnet 3.5 was is the most powerful for
For programming.
For programming, for example, yeah. And nowadays we have every day more and more of these models. Yeah, we have dozens of them, yeah, developed. And but how can are there any benchmarks or from community dashboards for scoring for this model, so we can just compare and evaluate that this is the top one?
We have for now one of the most SVA bench, one of the most beautiful benchmark for especially programming system. SVA bench, something like that. So this link, yeah, and here you can find the most powerful systems. It's mean tools plus model under the hood. Not all of the system you can find here. For example, either I don't see either here, but you can use it. Amazon Q, huh? You paid, I know. Yeah. Yeah. After the presentation, I can provide more links. I have separate separate file with links to different benches for coding projects, even for test to SQL projects. There are a lot of benchmarks I can provide it.
Thank you.
This woman, please.
Hi. So
Hi.
I understand you used.
It's nice.
this,
If you understand me, I'm really happy.
AI tools.
Thank you.
AI tools a lot. So I have a question. In real projects, like when
Mhm.
you are at work, what are the most complex and useful things AI solves for you?
The most useful TDD, test-driven development, but it's not like test-driven when you first write a test, then write a code. It's mostly about write code and then cover this code 80 or 70% as it depends on your command. So all of the unit tests right now we make from AI systems. Also, it's pretty good in working with UI. CSS, HTML, it is part of our work that we don't really want to make, especially when you're backend developer. So you can delegate it to those systems. And sometimes it is about some kind of refactoring, small refactoring. That's it. But that's it, yeah.
And, will AI replace us anytime soon?
Of course. No, unfortunately, yes. This is the way where we are moving. But when it will be, I don't know, 5 years, 10 years, and we will be different developers. If you ask if AI replace us as a developers right now, I think, yeah, we will see it in the nearest future. But we also will change. We will be like a magician of the word. LLM word.
One more?
One more, yeah, here and then there,
Okay.
and that's it.
I am curious whether those tools work well on bigger projects. When we have several models, those models can use different like languages, implement HTML, SQL, some backend code, JavaScript, and we need to maintain like contract between those models.
Yeah.
And so where does it stand now? So can it do that?
Yes, we can do it. Really good question. Let me show you again. Either blah blah marketing. You need it, but you don't need it. Cursor. Either. I need either. Either can works inside the folder. It means that inside the folder you have several projects, for example, backend on .NET and UI on JavaScript. You can use in either between these two projects. You can ask either, please create me API for this backend using TypeScript and using architecture of my frontend. And either will understand context or both projects because it works inside the folder, not inside the project, like Cursor do it. Is it answering your question? So yeah, you can try to use either. And last one there.
Which AI model have you used?
Sorry, this one? Or this one? Which one?
You told, now I don't list there.
Okay. Which AI model have you used to prepare this presentation?
I'm using my brain, yeah. It's still, I don't use AIs for presentations. You see, this is not like a difficult presentation. Only one AI that I use here, it was stable diffusion and control net for making the last one QR code. Yeah, if you can see, yeah, here. This is control net plus stable diffusion for generating this pretty beautiful QR code. To be honest, there are a lot of tools for creation content, and I use a lot of tools for creation content. Even, especially when I need to make some small talk, not a small talk, but small presentation in 5 minutes. It's happened sometimes. especially when you on the big conference and you host this conference and somebody absent and you need to replace this person. Sometimes I'm go to ChatGPT and say, hey, this is the topic, I need the plan for 30 minutes conversation. And ChatGPT provide me really good structure. I have GPTs configured for creating this structure for speech, and then I can use it for speech. Yeah, but you don't need understand. You need to understand that all of the topics that covered by ChatGPT are familiar for me always. Yeah, I know all of the topics from this speech usually, and usually I'm using Russian and Belarusian language that I very well, not so bad as English. So yeah, you can use it for preparation, but only if you're expert in some topic. For video content, you can use a lot of tools. For dubbing, I can make video in Russian language and dub it to English language, and people even don't will be known that I'm not an English native person. I have so good such an experience. You can use it for graphic generation. You can use it for music generation, audio, for example. Right now, I'm listening music almost from AI because they generate music that I want. Audio. If you don't know the server, you can try it. So there are a lot of systems, not for only for programming. And when you see all of the systems, you, especially me, I'm understanding that there not a lot of time we have while these systems will do a lot of remote work that currently doing by ourselves. Yep. Thank you.
Last question or
Last question.
last
Last after last.
Last after last.
Last of Us.
Okay. We just tried to build a Telegram bot application like 5 minutes ago, and
really?
I had the same situation about 2 months ago. I tried to build React UI for my backend, and I faced the same issue. So you just asked model to build entire application, and after that you had a lot of information, and in the end you just failed again because it's really impossible to be into the whole code generated in 5 minutes. And is it right approach to use AI tools more often to resolve simple tasks instead of asking to generate entire application? And
it depends of size of your application. If it's just a simple bot, it's more than enough to use AI, because you can make this bot by yourself and you spend several hours, but you can do it in 10 minutes without audience, 10 minutes, and it will be increase your speed. But when you do really huge project, I know a lot of experience, a lot of stories from my experienced friends, and they say that it's a little bit shitty creepy, because they spent a lot of time for understand what this neural network generate.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, this is not pretty rare problem. But what's interesting, these systems, agent systems based on agents, they stay better and better day after day. So for example, if yesterday the system wasn't able to generate only one line of code, 1 year ago, for example, the systems was really dumped in code generation, complete code completion. Today they can generate small pet projects. So you can wait several weeks, for example, and there can be some new project that will work good with your huge project, huge solution. And we are really waiting for GPT-4 and for the next model, 5, sorry, for GPT-5 and next Anthropic model, because looks like they will be, what's the right word? They can. Yep. And reason system in those models should be really good, reasoning system. So we'll see. It will be in November 2025, after the elections.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, and really quick.
Exactly, right in the middle. Yeah, thank you. That's it from my side.
Thank you, Alex. And now was the beautiful part when we share in the prizes. We have 1 JetBrains certificate for any ID and 2 vouchers for AWS credits, each of $50 amount. So feel free to choose the winners.
You said only one winners. I don't ready for 3.
We have promotion today. 1 winner extended.
So 1 JetBrains license.
JetBrains, yes, exactly.
1 year.
1 year.
All product pack.
Yes. And yeah, for any for any ID, for any
For
ID.
any idea.
Yes.
Okay.
And 2 AWS credits amounts.
How much credits?
$50.
$50. So 1 month all product pack.
No, you can use it for
Okay.
until end of the year probably. And
Okay.
you
So
can use
this is most important price, yeah.
you
or not?
decide. You do it here.
I really like the question about integration of one project into another, about contract between projects.
Okay, thank you.
So yeah, this young and beautiful guy.
And 2 more, and you can use them, for example, for AWS recognition and some, but not every AI service.
$50
in
for
now.
AWS.
Yeah,
I
1
need
and
it.
2. You will have a chance to ask the question from Victor.
I really love 2 last questions.
Okay.
Yeah, a little bit about the future and about the general AI questions with general programming stuff. Yeah, legacy and big solutions. So please.
So people from this side.
Yep. Those women and this man.
Okay, thank you, Alex.
Thank you.
It was a really nice presentation, and I will do some marketing. I'm personally also
and you
part.
nothing say about my speech, and I understand. Thank you.
No. I'm talking now. I'm doing marketing now. I am personally also part of the community Evolution Code. So if you understand the Russian, so feel free to join.
Okay, let's say a little bit. Okay, marketing stuff.
No. Just
marketing stuff. If who of you understand Belarusian, Ukrainian, or Russian language?
A lot.
Nice. So yeah, if you want to get some more information about how to use AI, not from my side, from the much more powerful specialist. If you want to do it on the Russian language with links, you can get to Evoluция Кода private community, $8 per month, a lot of content, more than 100 hours, weekly news about AI for programmers, community, and Anton, part of this community. Thank you, Anton.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Yeah. So one place for all learning and news information about AI and programming on Russian language. You can just connect to us. Yeah, this is the example of the content. And this is QR code, how to get more information and get to this community. We'll be happy to see you there.
Okay, thank you, Alex.
Thank you.
And yeah, we probably haven't time for another short break because we have another star speaker here and one of the inspiration of this community, our great friend from AWS. Developer advocate, DevOps engineer, speaker, mentor, Victor Vedmich.